Why do some people stay sharp and energetic well into their 70s and 80s? Today, we'll reveal science-backed daily habits that can transform your health and longevity. Aging isn't just fate, it's shaped by the small choices you make every day. Forget extreme diets or impossible routines. We'll focus on simple, actionable protocols grounded in real human biology. From hydration to movement and mindset, you'll get practical tools to take control of your health. Ready to reshape your future? Let's dive in. Your first action each morning sets the tone for your body and brain. After hours without water, rehydration is crucial, but not just with plain water. Start your day with 16 ounces of water, a pinch of sea salt, and a squeeze of lemon. The salt helps your cells absorb water, while lemon supports digestion and detoxification. This simple drink wakes up your metabolism and clears mental fog. Proper hydration, first thing, boosts focus, energy, and cellular health. Think of it as an internal reset button. Make this your first healthy habit every morning. Healthy aging isn't about eating less, it's about eating smarter. The key: stabilize your blood sugar with every meal. Fill your plate with high-fiber veggies, healthy fats like olive oil and nuts, and lean protein. Choose slow-burning carbs, think sweet potatoes or berries, over refined grains. This approach keeps energy steady, reduces inflammation, and supports your body's repair systems. Eat to fuel your cells, not just to fill your stomach. Forget punishing workouts. Longevity is built on consistent, low-level movement. A 10-minute walk after meals helps your body manage blood sugar and reduces inflammation. Sprinkle in movement snacks, a few squats or stretches every hour, to break up sitting. It's not about burning calories, but sending the right signals to your body. Gentle, frequent movement keeps your metabolism, joints, and mind young. Make movement a natural part of your day. Consistency beats intensity. Chronic stress accelerates aging, but you can counter it instantly with your breath. Try the 4-2-6 technique. Inhale for 4, hold for 2, exhale for 6. A longer exhale activates your body's calming system, lowering stress hormones and heart rate. Just 2 minutes can shift you from anxious to calm. Use this before stressful moments or anytime you need to reset. Your breath is a free, powerful tool for longevity. Sleep is your body's built-in repair system. Don't skip it. Deep sleep boosts growth hormone, repairs tissues, and clears toxins from your brain. Prioritize a consistent sleep schedule and limit screens before bed. Get sunlight in the morning and keep your bedroom cool and dark at night. Quality sleep strengthens immunity, memory, and mood. It's the foundation for every other healthy habit. Treat sleep as your nightly investment in youth. Your mindset shapes your biology as much as your habits do. A daily gratitude practice rewires your brain for resilience and well-being. Write down 3 things you're grateful for. This reduces stress and boosts happiness chemicals. Find a sense of purpose, even in small things. It's a proven longevity booster. Keep promises to yourself to build confidence and agency. A positive, purposeful mind is a powerful anti-aging tool. Willpower fades, but your environment shapes your habits automatically. Make healthy choices easy. Keep fruit visible, hide junk food, and prep veggies in advance. Place walking shoes by the door and remove screens from your bedroom. Design your space to support movement, sleep, and calm. When your environment nudges you toward good choices, healthy living becomes effortless. Don't fight temptation, outsmart it. Build systems that make the right choice the easy one. Longevity isn't a one-time fix, it's the sum of small daily actions. You don't need to be perfect or do everything at once. Pick one habit, hydration, walking or breathing, and commit for a week. Notice the benefits, then layer on another habit. Progress, not perfection, is the goal. Every day is a chance to invest in your future self. You are the architect of your own health. Start building, one choice at a time. A vibrant, longer life starts with a single habit. Choose one protocol from today and make it your new foundation. You have the power to shape your biology and your future. If this inspired you, like and subscribe for more science-backed wellness strategies. Share this with someone you care about because one small change can transform a life. Your journey to ageless living begins now.